Hi, Greta. I'm ready to be a dual citizen now, please.
Not so fast, Flix. There's a test.
A test? You forgot to mention that.
Don't worry, Greta's got your back. I'll train you in all the dog activities you'll be tested in. With my help, you might just pass. First up, chasing your tail.
Chasing my tail? Easy peasy.
Hold up. I've made this part of the test extra fun. Well, for me.
Whoa! I have to chase my tail around that?
Are you dog enough, Flix? Huh, you actually did it. I'm impressed. Sort of.
I'm going to ace this test. What's next?
Bone burying.
Possum! I'm a bona fide bone barrier.
Next up, swimming.
Swimming? Ha! Piece of hate.
But is your doggy paddle good enough? Not bad, Flix. But not great either. Next up, chasing cats.
Wait, what?
Oh, I don't know, Greta. Chasing cats is an old tradition that dogs don't really do anymore. Is it really on the citizenship test?
Well, no. I just thought it could be fun.
It is kind of fun.
Fun! Chasing cats is fun! That's it! Flix, I've had enough of all of this dog stuff.
Me too! Tabby, wait up!
Well, they're no fun, are they? Cats. Am I right? Louder. Louder. Higher. Higher.
How many?
3, please. Oh, I mean, 2.
Fetch. 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 Fetch.
This is no fun.
Without Flix.
Am I ready? I'm ready. Maybe I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready.
You're ready.
Tabby, Munchkin, Greta says I'm ready. My dual citizen test is tomorrow. Isn't it exciting?
It's something.
You don't sound excited.
Why should we be excited about you becoming a citizen of Dogtown?
Are you saying Cat Town isn't good enough anymore?
What? No! Cat Town is awesome. It's where I learn to leap fences and land on my paws every time. So useful.
Then why are you spending all your time with Greta doing dog stuff?
It's like you don't care about the Bow Meow crew anymore.
Of course I do. Don't be silly.
Come on, Munchkin. Let's go before he starts barking at us.
I don't get it. I know cats can be moody, but this is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. They're like a riddle wrapped in a hairball.
I should be on my way to Dogtown, but I can't stop thinking about what Tabby and Munchkin said. Can you believe them? Neither can I, being a citizen of Dogtown doesn't take away from being a citizen of Cattown, does it? You think it does? Maybe it does. I've been spending way more time with Greta in Dogtown lately. Did I let Tabby and Munchkin down? What am I doing? Dogtown can keep its paperwork. I just need Tabby and Munchkin. Thanks, Felina. You're a lifesaver.
Huh?
What are you doing here?
I was getting Flix for his citizenship test.
We were coming to get Flix for his test, too.
We felt bad about everything we said yesterday.
But I've decided not to get my citizenship.
What?
It's not worth losing my best friends over being a dual citizen. You two are way more important than any fancy title or the extra snacks.